Hello friends, now we see the problem number 8, which is also based on rules of differentiation of chapter differentiation. The problem number 8 is, if for fx is equal to lambda x square plus mu x plus 12, comma, f dash 4 is equal to 15, comma, f dash 2 is equal to 11, then find the value of lambda and mu. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we start with f of x is equal to lambda x square plus mu x plus 12. Now differentiating above function with respect to x, we get derivative of fx is f dash x is equal to, now here lambda is a constant term, so we write as it is, derivative of x square is a 2x, so the total answer is 2 lambda x plus, in terms mu x, mu is a constant, so we write as it is, and derivative of x is 1, so mu into 1 gives us mu, plus derivative of 12 as it constant term and therefore 0. So in this way we get f dash x is equal to 2 lambda x plus mu. This we represent as a equation 1. Now here in a question we have given that f dash 4 is equal to 50. So put x is equal to 4. We get f dash 4 is equal to 2 lambda into 4 plus mu. The next step will be, for f dash 4 we substitute 15. So 15 is equal to 2 4s are 8 lambda plus mu. Let us this denote as a equation number 2. Now next given is f dash 2 is equal to 11. It means we have to put x equal to 2 in equation 1. So we get f dash 2 is equal to 2 lambda into 2 plus mu. Now in a question f dash 2 given as a 11, so 11 is equal to 2 into 2, 4 lambda plus mu. Let us this denote as a equation number 3. Now solving equation 2 and 3 simultaneously, we get the values of lambda and mu. So first of all we write equation 2 as 8 lambda plus mu is equal to 15, and then we write equation 3 as 4 lambda plus mu is equal to 11. If you observe here, on subtracting, mu is a cancel. So minus, here plus mu, minus mu cancel. Now 8 lambda minus 4 lambda gives us 4 lambda. 15 minus 11 equal to 4, and therefore lambda equal to 4 upon 4, and finally 4 ones are 4 ones are, so we get lambda equal to 1. Now substituting values of lambda equal to 1 in equation 2, we get first of all we write equation 2 as 8 lambda plus mu equal to 15. Therefore 8 into 1 plus mu is equal to 15. So mu is equal to 15 minus 8. So mu is equal to 7. So finally, hence we get lambda equal to 1 and mu equal to 7. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.